I got all the way up there. He came out with it. Oh,
this one?
Yeah. That's him. Nice.
Nice pink male. He's probably about 9, 10.
11's the help.
Alright. Yeah, just about 10.
Cool. I'm stuck up.
Chaser.
Oh, there's a nice one.
And takes it all the way to my feet. And then nibbled at it after I stopped reeling. That is a nice one. Damn. That's a 12er.
That's a nice brook trout.
Missed another one in that hole.
Look at that guy.
That's a nice looking brookie, man. Shit.
Pretty.
Gotta love those fish.
Get the sun on him. He goes. 11. Nice one though.
Fatter than the last couple.
Yeah, a little heavy. There he is. Nice one.
It's a pretty fish.
Yeah, yellow or orange or whatever, yellow bellied. A little bit.
Hold still, fucker.
A red tune.
Just barely got him on the tip of the jaw.
He was sneaky.
That's only about
Much lure.
9 or so.
Yeah.
Look at the little pipe on that thing though.
Yeah,
There's
that's
a
the
little
most
tiny
colorful
hook
one
job.
we've had so far.
Alright, there you go. Back to your log jam, buddy. Had to be one in there. A little one. Oh man. Always a good time.
Little brook trout. Little brook trout, buddy. That's 5.5, 6 inches. Pretty one. Oh, didn't want to do that to you. Go on. Go on, buddy.
There it is.
Nice one.
That was the one I saw chase the first time he dragged through there.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
He's in trouble. Something going around there. Excellent, thanks. That's a pretty one. Bleeding though.
Yeah, a little bit. I think you got him through the tongue
10.
though. It didn't look like it was his gills.
You don't look any worse for the wear.
Can't wait till May when I can throw a worm in a hole like that.
There we go, finally.
Just fish till I catch him. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one.
Oh, and he's off. Yeah, nice brook trout.
Oh, hello.
Nice one.
That was
wow.
in your fucking mud cloud underneath that log right there.
A nice 11-incher.
Nice pale one. Hold still, buddy. Got you right through the tongue. Spit it out. Sorry.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Not
11
quite
and a
12.
half. Well, 11 3/4. Nice. Nicest one we caught so far, I think.
Oh, there it came again. It's still in there.
Nice.
Sight fishing. get so deep?
That's a nice one.
I'm just gonna tangle that shit. 11 and a half.
A little smaller than the last one.
A little skinnier. Still a nice fish.
Absolutely.
Go right back under that rock.
It sure is. Let's see if he's gonna bite again. Oh.
I don't know, man. I got 2 chances at that one. I don't know you're gonna get a third.
Oh, you talking about that deer musks that smell? Hey.
No, I smelled cows upwind somewhere. He's like, I want to eat it. Oh no, shit. Oh, no,
Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. Don't do it. Do it. Just a little tiny guy.
Shit, that even that ain't.
There we go.
Yeah, you got him. Just kept coming.
Oh, he's foul hooked.
You snagged him? Get him on the side of the face?
No, fortunately not.
Forceps?
There, he's off.
Where'd you get him?
Down here.
Ooh.
Foul hooked. Oh, no.
No.
Brook.
Just colorblind.
Thought maybe I'd have my 3 tigers to your 0 or something, you know, today. Going the wrong way, buddy. There we go.
Fun. I knew you'd get him eventually.
Easy, buddy. Stop it. Jeez. Get it up. They are tenacious. Oh, you were not getting off, though. No way you were getting off. Nice one. About 9, probably 8. Yep, about that. There he goes.
Dark colors living under a log jam.
Oh. Yeah, this is a nice one. Stay on, baby. Brown trout. Brown trout.
First brown of the day.
Brown trout.
It's not a tiger, is it?
Nope, brown trout.
That was mostly a joke.
Came from a long way.
Yeah, I saw that. Woo.
Yeah, little brown trout.
It's like 12, 14.
No, not quite. I think he's about 11. See here. 11. Oh, look at that sucker.
That's a big one. Oh shit. Sorry, man.
Uh-oh. Hey, let's be quiet. They won't think nothing of it in 10 minutes.
What's
Jeez, that was a nice brook.
Yeah.
What? That was not the same one I had on earlier.
Sure
Just
as hell
I
isn't.
ducked at it. Well, 4 times the size of this one. That's a nice one.
This one maybe? Oh, there he goes. Into the big hole.
Coming. Not biting.
Missed him. Bit. Got him?
Yep.
Little brown? It's another fucking tiger, you asshole.
Brown trout. How in the fuck did you do this, buddy?
Take it pretty deep.
Just kind of goofy. There's a nice one. Oh, a little brown, or is it a brook?
It's a brook.
A little brook?
There you go. That's a nice one. Gold with orange body.
Gold and orange. Oh fuck. Forceps, please.
Scalpel.
He's got this in a raker, but I think if you're real careful there, you'll get it out.
Oh, that's a tricky one. Yep. Actually did okay.
Excellent.
Not even bleeding.
Nice little brown, or nice little brook. He'll swim another day. He didn't have any trouble there. Luckily, he didn't get pierced in it.
Yeah. Just like the hook went between his gills. Who that one is.
Yeah, very sweet. Yeah. Sheb's just had a double. Think I'm about to cast in his hole there.
So 3 in a row. Each one bigger than the last. Oh, I missed him.
Ah. Damn it, man.
Yep, lost. There's a shitload of hungry fish in this hole.
Gotta get me some of that. I don't want the Schmitty orange.
Yeah, that skinny little bastard with the bright orange belly.
Nice cast. Nice one.
Still not moving.
No.
Color on that one.
Yeah, about 7.
Yeah, just a little guy. Little tiny chitin. Riser.
There's a nicer fish.
That's a fat one.
Likes that hole. And he likes the Schmitty orange. Nice brook trout.
Looks like a nice solid 10 there.
Jesus.
Not better. getting swipes. Even though you just pulled that fucker out of that hole.
Oh, that's a nice one too. Not the same.
Not nearly as big.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's safe. He's free! Oh yeah, a little smaller, yeah.
And look how tiny the spots are on that one.
Oh, there was just a vicious sea monster swipe. 2 foot in front.
Saw another fucking broadside. There it is. That's the big boy.
Sweet. That, my friends, is a nice brook trout.
That's a nice brook, man.
That is a nice brook trout there.
Jesus, that thing's got to be 12, 13.
That is a nice brook trout. He goes 12 1/4.
Jesus.
Pretty fish, wow.
Look at a big old square tail on that thing.
Yeah. Awesome. Man, that would be delicious, wouldn't it? Yep. Ooh. Nice one.
There
Oh,
he
he's
goes.
off.
I think that might have been fine.
I remember right, I caught a really nice brown trout here. Good catch. Oop.
That's actually a much larger one I expected to come out of that shallow, rocky run. For sure, you're going to be a dinker.
Fucking kidding me. Nice one.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is.
And we got a fish. Little brook trout, no doubt.
Came all the way from the bank to a flat, shallow point there.
Little brook trout, little brook trout. Oops, gone brook trout. There you go.
Check out the little bench up on the bank.
Yeah. I think they know something. There's no fish in there. Oh.
There's a nice one in there. I've seen him flash a couple of times now.
Another little brook trout, another brook trout, another brook trout. See the size of that fish that was after you?
Ooh, I saw a big flash. There he is. He came all the way out for it.
Nice little brook trout. Easy, buddy.
Ain't nothing little about that brook trout.
Nice one.
Uh-oh. Oh, I was over the tree branch when he bit. That's a brown.
There's a fatty. Oh, there he goes.
Little brown.
Yeah, cool. Can't even sway his attention.
What's that?
I tried to, he went right by him. But I doubt it. All right, nice hit. Nice hit. Is that a brown? No?
Yeah, it's just a, look at the orange on
Yeah,
that.
it looked like
That's
a brown.
a really weird color.
A bit like a brown. Came out of that trees.
Brief moment there, I thought it might be a tiger.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. One thing about fishing it downstream.
Yep,
like that,
it does do that. Back of the rocks, and oh, it gets deep there. Oh yeah. Nice one. Oh, shit.
A little pale.
This is not him.
That's a decent one.
Yeah, that's not that one though.
Oh shit.
Did I bump you?
Got me up in the mix on the South Fork before it blew up. And when the beaver dam blew up, I was able to wade out into the deep water, and it was still hanging from the tree 3 weeks later.
Knew there was going to be one in there. We're to the point now where they're going to feed.
The color on that.
It's about 10.
Yeah. Nice looking fish.
Pretty.
Good. Nice one.
See him digging his nose. Oh,
Ooh.
see him, he got the hook out. You see him digging his nose in the ground? Bastard.
Shit. Power Pro to the rescue.
Here's a better one. Huh. How about the same? Not smart enough to put his nose in the ground.
Oh, damn. It's about the same size as yours.
Oop, he's gone. About an 8-incher. Little teeny brooks, that's what we're finding. I didn't get your bigger one from the... Oh well. Oh, there was a biter. Oh, you got him. Good.
He pulled me off the stick. Thanks,
Nice.
buddy.
Nice. Thought he got off for a second.
Actually, it was the second one. First one did get off. This is the second one.
Oh, there were two of them?
There were
Because there
two
was,
of 'em.
yeah, because there was a guy there that bit it first.
Yep.
I saw him flash.